What chemical element is represented by the symbol C? Is it chromium, cobalt, or carbon? What is the term for all positive and negative whole numbers including zero? Is it real numbers, integers, or prime numbers? In physics, for every action there is an equal and opposite what? Is it reaction, subtraction, or distraction?
Like, comment, subscribe.
The day on which the sun's direct rays cross the celestial equator is called. Is it the equinox, the solstice, or the aphelion? For what is the Jurassic period named? Is it a soccer hero, a kind of dinosaur, or a mountain range? Where is a giant rodent called the capybara found? Is it South America, North America, or Asia? When were the first rockets launched? Is it 17th century, 19th century, or 13th century? What instrument is used to measure the ground oscillations produced by an earthquake? Is it radioscope, spectroscope, or seismograph? It is the sum of the areas of the two squares on the legs equals the area of the square on the hypotenuse. Is it fundamental theorem, Pythagorean theorem, or prime number theorem? What chemical element is represented by the symbol H? Is it holmium, hydrogen, or helium? Which of these objects is the farthest from the Sun? Is it 90,377 Sedna, Kuiper belt, or Saturn? Which of these animals swims in an upright position? Is it sea urchin, sea slug, or sea horse? What term describes the alignment of three celestial bodies? Is it suzerainty, syzygy, or symbology? In geology, what is a monadnock? Is it a valley, a type of lake, or a type of hill? What is the theory that posits large-scale horizontal movements of continents that occur over long episodes of geologic time? Is it gradualism, continental drift, or seafloor spreading? What chemical element is represented by the symbol Ge? Is it gold, gallium, or germanium? Golden hamsters are commonly kept as pets. Nearly all are descended from a small group captured in 1930. From what country did the original hamsters come? Is it Saudi Arabia, Syria, or Mongolia? Zebras belong to the same family as which of these animals? Is it deer, horse, or giraffe? Which of the following is not a marsupial? Is it kangaroo, badger, or wombat? A baby blue whale drinks this many liters of milk per day? Is it 500, 190, or 50? Which of the following technological developments came first? Is it telegraph, teletype, or telescope? What chemical element is represented by the symbol Ag? Is it silver, argon, or astatine? In what year was the ball bearing patented? Is it 1794, 1899, or 1826? How many times larger is the radius of the Sun than that of the Earth? Is it 1025, 10, or 109? Who discovered the X-ray? Is it Wilhelm Röntgen, Stephen Hawking, or Ray Stevens? Which vehicle was invented about 3000 BCE? Is it the helicopter, the chariot, or the bicycle? What variety of mole is characterized by 22 fleshy pink touch organs projecting from around the tip of the snout? Is it star-nosed mole, Old World mole, or New World mole? What is another name for a drowned river valley? Is it peninsula, ria, or grotto? In some parts of the world, mysterious deaths of which creatures threaten agriculture? Is it fire ants, kangaroos, or bees? That radiation and matter have properties both of particles and of waves is called what? Is it entanglement, wave-particle duality, or mixing? Max Planck's great discovery was that radiation energy is emitted in packets that he called what? Is it wave functions, photons, or quanta? In the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, which two measurable properties of a particle cannot be observed precisely at the same time? Is it position and momentum, spin and color, or size and speed? The square of a particle's wave function describes the probability of what about the particle? Is it that it will decay? That it is at a particular place? Or that it will disappear? Identify the type of chemical reaction, S plus O2 SO2. Is it double displacement, synthesis, or decomposition? Identify the type of chemical reaction, 2Na plus Cl2 2Na Cl. Is it synthesis, decomposition, or single displacement? How many times is the largest fish larger than the smallest fish? Is it 130 times, 20 times, or 1800 times?